But we'll start in Piemonte, where they are famous for their peppers. Today we're traveling around Italy from the north to the south to the east, but let's begin with the north. Piemonte, beautiful region. They have great peppers there, and grilled pepper, roasted pepper, you know, everybody loves that, but they do something special to it. They add a little bit of anchovies and saute it. So, how do you grill your pepper? You know, what's important is that you get a nice, firm, meaty pepper, and you can grill it right on the open fire, just like that. You put it on, and you turn it around until you have to kind of monitor it, until it all really gets kind of blistery. So what you want here is high impact heat immediately to burn off the thin skin, but the inside just gets partially cooked. It doesn't kind of fall apart. It still has a nice bite. Once it's brown on all sides, you just kind of take it and put it in a bowl like that, and you let it settle until it kind of wilts, just like that. But you see, it has to be roasted all around really, really well. So once it's kind of chilled, cooled off, it is very easy to just kind of scrape the burnt skin off. And as you can see, the underneath remains nice and meaty. So. Okay, and you open it up, get all the seeds out, and let's just rinse them a little bit, not too much. You don't want them to hang around in the water. You don't want them to lose too much of their flavor. Okay, you just want all of those. Okay, and I've done some just for the sake of time, kind of just ripped them in portion size, not even cutting them. They have kind of a natural breaking point. And you know, Piemonte, this is a landlocked region of Italy. And you would say, well, they're using anchovies. How come? Well, they're using anchovies because they have this great wine, and they would barter with the Ligurians, which were on the coast and fishermen. So the Ligurians wanted the good red wine, and they would barter the fish for the wine. So, you know, that system, let's exchange. I'll take what you got, I'll give you what I got. A great system. So here, begin with some good olive oil, garlic. But before I even slice the garlic, I'm going to just chop the anchovies and put them right in there. And they'll begin to disintegrate. Oh. So garlic, olive oil, anchovies, so far so good, huh? A good base, and once this gets some color, we'll just throw the peppers right in there, and they really will pick up all that flavor, that complexity of the anchovies. So here we go, right in here. And it's as simple as that. The anchovies have salt, but I still feel I need a little bit of salt for the pepper. Just a little bit. So you can think of a million ways of using this delicious flavored roasted peppers. You know, yeah, you could put mozzarella on top of it. You can serve it with prosciutto as crostini. But you know, roasting them, you saw, it is quite easy. This doesn't really need to be cooked because it is cooked. I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to put a little bit of the raw olive oil, you know, to really maximize the flavor. And then, of course, a little bit of parsley. And just beautiful colors and beautiful flavors. I think just a little kind of quick presentation. I have some grilled bread here. Simply grilled bread. You know, when you grill bread, you grill it without any condiment. Then You can make an infusion of garlic, olive oil, and parsley, or just plain olive oil, and just brush it a little bit. This way, you get the maximum flavor of the pure olive oil. Because if you raise it to different temperatures, if you cook it or grill it, it has a different flavor. So here we go. The bruschetta has a wonderful flavor. Let me fill this up with this bowl of the roasted pepper. Just like that. But also, you can serve it just like that. And you can serve it just like that, but you can add to it another slice of anchovy, or maybe if you have some open tuna, or even a little bit of a boiled egg, or a little piece of mozzarella. You can see how all of these things really can build, and you have a great bruschetta. Here we go. Simple and beautiful presentation. Maybe just a little bit of green kind of in between. You see the colors are bright, but I think I will take this one. I think this one is too much, don't you think so? Yeah, I think I'll taste that one. Okay, so let me taste this for you. The anchovy, the piece of anchovy, the roasted pepper, the grilled bread. Oh. Delicious. The pepper is sweet, you know how roasted pepper is, but that kind of garlic and anchovy just gives it that extra kick.